How to remove Messenger account from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Messenger account from another phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, just tap on See More in Account Center. And now here, once you're inside the Account Center, then what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on Passport and Security. And now here, in this section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Where you are logged in. And now here, in this section, select the account, and after that, on the next page, just under logins on another device, you can simply look for the phone or device that you want to remove. And once you've found it, you can just tap on it. And once you do that, you can simply select the device that you want to log out from. And here, once you have done that, simply select the device, and after that, you can just tap on logout button. And once you do that, Messenger will also be logged out on that device. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.